Bride, bride. It means a woman who is getting married. A woman who is getting married. In Burmese, it means the dodami, the dodami. In Karen, it means Talamu pomu, Talamu pomu. For example, we can say like this: the bride is beautiful, the bride is beautiful. The dodami ladi, Talamu pomu dega hilawe nilo. Bridegroom, bridegroom. It means a man who is getting married. A man who is getting married. In Burmese, it means the doda, the doda. In Karen, it means Talamu pokwa, Talamu pokwa. For example, we can say like this: the bridegroom is handsome. The bridegroom is handsome. The doda chodi, Talamu pokwa daga dodagi welo. Bridge, bridge. It means a structure built over a river or road. A structure built over a river or road. In Burmese, it means dada, dada. In Karen, it means do, do. For example, we can say like this: there is a big bridge across the river. There is a big bridge across the river. မြစ်ပေါ်တွင်တံတားကြီးတစ်ခုဖြတ်ဆောက်ထားသည်ဒိုဖတို့တဘိုးခေါ်ပတထီကလိုးနေလော Breakfast, breakfast. It means the morning meal, the morning meal. In Burmese, it means nanasa, nanasa. In Karen, it means hodao, hodao. For example, we can say like this: we are having mohinga for breakfast. We are having mohinga for breakfast. ကျွန်ုပ်တို့သည်နံနက်စာအဖြစ်မိုဟင်ဂါကိုစားနေကြသည်။အော်တကုတ်ခေါ်နော်ဒီအမေဝတာအော်နီလော